Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you what MySQL Server is and why we need to start or stop it, and two simple ways to control it on Windows using services.msc and MySQL Workbench. Okay, so now the question arises, what is MySQL Server? MySQL Server is the actual engine that stores, manages, and processes our database. Whenever we run SQL queries or connect an application to a database, MySQL Server must be running. Now, why do we need to start MySQL Server? So the question's answer is we start the MySQL servers when we want to run SQL queries, use MySQL Workbench, and to connect MySQL with PHP, Python, or any application. We will learn all these applications in future coming videos. Okay, if the server is stopped, no database operation will work. Okay, and as soon as we start the MySQL server, we apply the queries, we just get our job done. Now we need to stop the MySQL server as well, because to free the system resources like RAM and CPU, and because we are not using the database anymore. And for during maintenance and configuration changes, we need to stop the MySQL server. Okay. Now one by one, let's learn about the two methods which I told you of starting and stopping the MySQL server. So the first method is to run the Windows services. Let me take you to the screen. In the run dialog box, we're gonna write services.msc. Now from all the services appear here, we are going to find MySQL. When we click the MySQL, as a MySQL server is currently not operating on the system, that's why the option of start is available here. We're gonna click it and Windows is attempting to start the service. Now, as you can see that the option for pause and restart appear. It clearly means that MySQL server is currently now running on the device. Now to stop this, we have to follow the same command. First, we have to minimize it and go for writing our SQL queries. And after our job done, at the end of the day, we're gonna come back to the same process. Window plus R, run the dialog box and write services.msc and come to this page, find MySQL. As soon as we click on this option, we're gonna see this three points. Out of these, we have to choose stop. By doing so, we are going to stop the MySQL server to free up our RAM or spaces so that our computer would not take much more space and run smoothly. So this is the first method. Now talking about the second method is via MySQL Workbench. Okay. So as you know, we have installed MySQL application earlier. Now we're gonna find it. We type MySQL and you can see that Workbench is here. So we're gonna open this Workbench. In this Workbench, we are able to see that our connections. This is the local host which we have made and which we have set it password for. We open this MySQL connection. Now just look carefully the interface. This going to be changed. So this is the new interface. Okay. After selecting the local host. Now we'll go to the server. In server, you will see the following options. We have to select the startup and shutdown. On clicking it, as we have stopped the SQL server from services.msc, that's why the system is showing now the server is stopped. That's why there is option available for only the starting the server. We'll click to the start and it will push ask permission again, and hence you can read the logs. It's stating that at this point particular time the server is trying to start. In this manner, we can start the server and stop the server by using these two methodologies for the Windows. Thanks.